I'm Omar, and this is my 59 Chevrolet El Camino. I've had the car for about 6 years. I've always noticed that I wanted to find an El Camino growing up, but it was hard to find a 1959. So in 59, they made 22,000 El Caminos. When I found this car, it was rusted in Texas. I had it shipped to Louisville, Kentucky. I restored the car all myself, top to bottom. It's been done for about 2.5 years, soup to nuts. I did all the motor and transmission work. I painted the car myself. I actually painted in an Audi R8 color. The motor has a 350 in it. The thing that I really like about it is the body lines of it. So when looking for a hot rod, I really try to get the right type of car. I really try to get the right type of body lines. And the El Camino for me just set it off, right? With the fins in the back, the nostalgic of like the Art Deco era. It has ride tech on it, like full around. Front disc brakes, power steering, drives like a real car now. Has air conditioning, has my built specialty wheels on it, all leather interior, all the trim work that I found, had to really hunt down and find, and a lot of barn find. That's why I like these type of vehicles.